After this recipe, cocoa bamboo will ban me. The secret to your creamy coconut candy. In a bowl, I'll start by cracking 3 eggs. Let's give these eggs a good beating. Next up, we'll add 395 grams of condensed milk. Let's mix everything. Now add 200 ml of coconut milk. Let's stir it a bit. And add 100 grams of shredded coconut. After mixing, we'll add a spoonful of baking powder. Let's stir it a bit. Let's transfer it to a container. Guys, this batch made 2 servings. I'll put the rest in another container. Guys, I'll make it in the air fryer, but you can use the oven if you want. Close it, set to 180 degrees, and leave for about 15 minutes or until brown. And look, guys, how beautiful this coconut candy is. Now just take it out and I'll add some cream cheese, but if you don't like it, you don't need to. It's up to you. And now, guys, just cut it up and enjoy. Make this at your place, I'm sure. Everyone will love it, and I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe. From Pobre na Cozinha, a big hug. See you next time, and thanks.